bacon for the week, you know, because regular bacon, I don't know. I really don't know. I don't have an answer for that. But breakfast first, head into the airport, go through all that, and then see you at the gate. Scooter. Walking around the parking lot. I see Terminal 2 as a sign that says Terminal 2. I'm gonna head in that direction and hopefully not get lost any further. So at this particular USO, I can't get in because I'm not an active, or am I retired? So if you are in the military and you plan on getting out and trying to use the USO, don't. Alright, so as per my mistake, I totally forgot I had a case over it the whole time. So I didn't get, I don't know if they got the audio, but I took the case off. Anyways, we're here at the Pearl Harbor and it's starting to rain. But yes, this is the map thing. We're gonna go inside and we're gonna check it out. And it's starting to rain. I came here at the worst time ever. I really hope they let me in to have my skateboard with me. I hope so. I'm gonna have to pull that, like, hey man, you know, I want to see the stuff. It says nothing about skateboarding here. I just want to see if I can get into the visitor center and see. Okay, so no book bags allowed. I mean, I could have just left it somewhere, but I'm not gonna do that because all of my trip stuff is here. I'm really bad at planning trips, but since I spent $13 to kind of come out here, I'm gonna see it. I'm gonna see what I came here to see, some way, somehow. The person texted me was like, hey, whenever you're ready, just let me know. And I'm like, you can get me now. I'm lost and hot. I'm walking around. The Navy is looking at me crazy. I just want to sit down. All right, I made it back to the bus stop. Still lost, still at Pearl Harbor. I don't know what I'm doing, where I'm going, but I think I'm gonna sit here at the bus stop and wait for someone to get here. Oh, there's a ship. I'm not sure if you can see it. Can I zoom in on here? I don't know, I'm not sure. So Pearl Harbor was the attacks that happened on American ground, and this shows where it happened. You had the Missouri and you had the Arizona part right here destroyed, which is still currently, I think those are it over there. I'm not sure because I'm not in. I really wish I was able to get in. I'm kind of bummed. But it is what it is, you know. No book bags. I'll just have to come here another time. One of these days I'm here. I'm gonna go for a tour, and I'm gonna pay for a tour, and I'm gonna actually do it big because I think I really want to do this stuff. History is one of my favorite things to know and be in the know of, and just being aware of it. And I think just stepping foot and being in the ships and just being around it is it's a special thing. At least for me. It might not be for you guys, but it will be a separate video, and you guys will know to watch it or not to. It's up to you guys. So I'm not seeing anything that doesn't say come in this area, but I'm gonna walk it for a second just to get a better view of the ships that are out there. I will have to crop it, but if you can see it, kudos for you. I'll crop it and make sure. All right, so now I'm walking the streets of Honolulu, Waikiki. Oh nope, Honolulu. Huh? Chinatown. There's a lot of tiny cars here. I like it. It's nice. Skateboarding in Hawaii before it gets too late. There's a skate park very, very close by, and I kind of want to check it out. Whoa, look at that. That's pretty cool. We're checking that out.